I like this microwave here. It is a retro look in the mint green. On the back sides in front, I should say, is all the mint green with the chrome look. The round dial there, which is really cool. Easy to operate for a 30-second timer, which everyone likes. Turns it right on. You can see it's heating up the pizza in there. You just open that up there as well. You can come up to remove your pizza. This is 0.9 cubic feet, 900 watts of power. I like the white because it shows your food when you're cooking, as you just seen, through the tinted glass. And I think white's just more visible when you're trying to, watch your cheese melt and those sorts of things. In order to operate, you can, when you start this, you can add 30 seconds by just hitting the timer there and keep going up like that for your heating needs. Clear that off there. And in order to go to your automatic program settings, which are 9, you turn it to the right and then you just hit start, and then that will give you a time there that you can do. So let me just go back out here, clear that out, show you what automatic time 1 is. Hit that twice, you got 1 minute 30 seconds. And then you can also from there and just clear that out and do the other ones. Now, I wish when I go left, this is how you set your normal time. It starts at 95 minutes. Then I hurry up and turn right, and I get my minutes that way. So I'll show you that again. You have to turn left, and then, unless you want to keep going back that way, which I don't like to do. I clear that out. I turn left, and then right. It's really not, it just takes a little bit of getting used to. I wish that it would have had it reversed, where instead of going into your program modes, I could go right first for my time. But it just takes a couple times to get used to, a couple days, and then you're all set. The back of it just has your vent on the right side, just to let you know that, and your fan motor, vent, and your vents are up here on the top here, as you can see. So I really like the color of it. I love the retro look to it. I think that's really cool. Very easy to operate. There is no push thing to get the door open, so I just kind of push there. This is made out of plastic, just so you know, like the majority of them today. So, and it has the mint along the side there, and the white, as I mentioned, glass removable tray area. But you always have to cook with that in there. So it comes with, you can also silence it as well for it doesn't beep if you like that, by going into the manual, which they give you, and go that route. So overall, for cooking and those things, I think it's great for a classic, great style look. I think it's just an A+. I just love the look of it there. There's some other vents there on that side. I just think it has that classic ring to it, and wish I could do my whole kitchen in mint green. That would be kind of cool. But here it is. Just wanted to show it to you. Very simple to operate.
This was a very quiet microwave in June. It's August. Now it makes this weird popping sound like popcorn.